Hi, welcome back to today's Morning Report chart appraisals on Tuesday the 4th of November with me, Rich Pre-Market Analyst at Tech Markets. Let's move on to cable. And cable just continues in this slight consolidation really. I just focused on the euro and showed that the euro had broken down below its equivalent support yesterday of 15.873 already. Now cable is not in that position. Now that sort of suggests to me that cable is slightly better positioned than the euro. However, obviously I think generally the dollar is in control across the board on all the majors, but I think cable is just slightly performing better than the euro in that regard. But what we are seeing is, if I zoom out slightly here on the hourly chart, that this resistance that's built up around $1.60 big figure is now still holding back this recovery. It's over the past 2-3 days now. It continues to provide the barrier, and I think that is, the longer that goes on, the more the chances are that the selling pressure will start to build up again, because it's not really going anywhere in terms of a recovery, and the overriding macro picture of cable remains this big downtrend, remains negative configuration on momentum indicators across the board, and that suggests that ultimately that the sellers will win the day, and presumably put pressure on that 58.73 level. I don't necessarily think we're going to see precipitous selling pressure on cable, but I think that maybe cable is sort of providing a little bit more support than the euro. Now we need to move cable above 60.50 to really start to think about a recovery in the outlook. But until that happens, you're still running with the legacy of this sort of double top pattern that I reckon certainly would suggest that we're going to be coming back towards a test of the lows, 58.73. And you're looking at these momentum indicators pretty much just unwound and oversold outlook really, certainly on the MACD lines. RSI just failing to really push above 60, which is indicative of a bit of a bear market rally as well. So I think that just suggests that on the balance of it, you'd be sort of more erring towards short positions on cable than any sort of sustainable recovery anyway. 60.50 is a bit of a level in terms of resistance on the upside, so maybe sort of looking at that as a bit of an initial stop area. But I think just using this rebound that we've seen today maybe as a chance to open a little speculative near-term short position. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today. The US trade balance at 130 could well have an impact on it. The expectation of $40 billion, and I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.